Hello, this is CyberTA team. My name is Wanxin, a group member of the CyberTA. We're going to show our final project demonstration 3. And for this week, I'm doing the part of PowerPoint creation and preparing for the in-person presentation. And other group members have done some updates for our final project. We have added a real-time data collect function for our chatbot, and we also done some updated for our web interface. So next, our group member will introduce the update.
Hello, I am KuanHsien, another member of the CyberTA team. In this progress video this week, I'm in charge of the part to get a ready URL related to the answers. In this part, we have three scripts that call API underline eyes underline data, and the second is API underline eyes underline URL. And so it's API underline eyes underline update apply. We have three scripts that involve getting data from the Reddit and storing it in the database and then processing it to find the Reddit URL whose content is shown to be related to the answers. In the first script, we open this one. And this query is mainly responsible for the connecting to the MySQL database and grabbing the posts and comments from the specific ready subreddit and storing them in the database. So there are some steps that are in this screen. So the first step is connect to the database. We attempt to connect to the database and return the error uh, when it falls, when it fails. And the second is insert data. We insert a title, body, and comment of the post into the database text underline data table. And the URL of the post is the source underline name and page underline number is used to distinguish the post from the comment. So 0 it means for the post and 1 is for the comment. And the third is a rated API. So we use the rated API uh, we and the Pro library to interact with Reddit API to get a new post from the Reddit forum, and we also get related comments for the specific specifications. The fourth function is the database configuration and the ready client configuration are set to the directory via the variables at the bottom of the screen. Let's move to the second screen. So in the second screen, this is used to retrieve stored posts and comments from the database and calculate the similarity to the given answer and return the relevant post. Uh, its main functions include the first is get the data from the database, and the second is test similarity calculation. We use the sentence transformer model to convert the test into the embedded factors and calculate the cosine similarity between them. And also the third part is the third function is related post retrieval. Based on the similarity threshold, we set a 0.7, and we can find a post that are highly similar to the answer test. And the fourth is when you run this squeeze, the posts associated with each answer and their similarity scores are printed. And now we move to the third squeeze, the API underline is underline update.py. In the third squeeze, the squeeze is a tool for the performing periodic data updates. It runs the main function that we call the API underline is underline data.py periodically every minute to update the ready parsed and comment data in the database. So there are some key features that are included in this quiz. So first, we use the schedule library to set the schedule tasks, and we define a job function. Later, initialize the ready client and set the database configuration and call the main function and get and update the data. The third function is run continuously, checking and execute pending tasks every minutes. So as we can see the 1 minute. Okay, so these three scripts from a system for the grabbing data from the Reddit and storing and processing it, and is also updating the real-time data regularly. So okay, so let's we start the demo this script right now. So we have run the first the squeeze, so you can see that we have stored the ready data in the database. Like we can see the ID, source name, and page number, test category, and test content. So you can see the source name will show the URL and for each test content. And we also give there the test category that is called comment, post title, post body, and three kind of category to description those data. And page number that we use is to description the comment and post title or body. So the post body and title we use the 0, and comment we use 1. Okay, so let's run the second script, and because we need run this second script sometime for a while, so we have executed, and you can see on the terminal that we have two answers from the database, and we can find what's the URL related with these answers. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 posts, and their similarity score is higher than the threshold 0.7 that we set. So this URL we can show on our system interface. So these URL are related to the answers from the QA robots. And let's go to let's run the third the regularly updated .py. So we can run is and update .py. Okay, so it started running and we switch to our database. Yeah, like we can see the data will increase every 1 minute. Yeah, so we need to wait for some while, let this py file running. And so you can see, yeah, you can see they start running the catch the real time post right now. And you will update the database later and you will see the layer posts are increased in the database. So we can go back to the settings. Yeah, we can see we increase the 200 posts for each 1 minute. So like you can, they are currently catching the data and regularly. Yeah, so you will see uh, the total ID will increase, the ID number will increase after I updating my database. Yeah, so it's still running. Yeah, so it will get 200 plus. Yeah, computer fetching the data flows really more sense, and they will after 1 minute it will restart again. So now we can update our database and we can see our current ID is 10,000. That increased a lot, the real-time data. So uh, these are our this week progress demo. So thank you for watching.
Hi, this is Yuehan, and I'm the member of the CyberTA. And I was responsible for building the web interface part and integrating the backend with models, algorithms, and databases. So in this demo video, in this part, I will highlight some of the feature improved by web interface. So first of all, right now you can see the main mean or gateway of our CyberTA project, and you can log in and register. So first, let us register a new user. You create a username. You create a user by inputting username and password. So it shows you successfully set up, and you input the new user to log in. So after you log in, you can see your username right here, and you can log out, and you log in again. So this is the main main content of the after logging. It shows the posts posted by all students, and the post displays the name. Right here is the name and the create time and by you who. So there is this is the user who posted this post. And if you click the title of the post, you can right into the detail of this post. You can see right here is the name of this post, the author. There is the author of this post, and right below him is right below it is CyberTA response for this question, and you can this right here is the create time for creating this post. Right here is the replay time for CyberTA responding this post. And if you want to make a new post, you can click the new post button. Right here, you put the title like so you input the title and the question content. You put the submit button to post this question, and it shows you are posting and you post successfully. So you can see right here, right? You can see you post a new question by Eric, and this is the title. If you click it, you can hear. You can right here. You can see the question and responsible for this question by CyberTA or our virtual teacher assistant. So that's the new feature of this system, and we completed some with web interface. And that's my part of this demo video. In this week, we will add the function of replaying. We will add the function to display video and pictures on in the CyberTA response, and add the function of getting the real-time data and updating the database in this week. So that's it. Thank you.